Okay, so I'm gonna give you some of this gum, okay? You see this? You see what they look like?
So sour.
They're not sour though, but you see they're so colorful, right?
Yeah.
And you see they're tiny, right?
Yeah.
What are they called? They're called double bubble bits and pieces bubble gum. Can you handle that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you said you're not gonna do? Tell me what you're not gonna do.
I won't swallow because I'm gonna choke, and you guys show grown-ups what to do, and they will teach you how to blow a bubble.
So you're gonna try to blow a bubble? How many pieces you need? It's open, okay? Okay. Why not just pour some in your hand? Here, eat those too. Okay, that's enough. Are they good? Here, let me pour some in your hand. Is that enough? That's enough, huh? Okay. Alrighty. Down the hatchet. You like it? You don't even like it. Give them back.